Hey guys, this is Nita Gandhi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we have this connected mug by Nestle, and this is a very interesting video and a good coffee maker. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin this video. So, we have a very huge box for this mug. Here's the date of manufacturing and MRP, which says 6499. This is the price sold on Amazon. We have two seal here, which we will remove after a bit. We have some contents here mentioned, which we will see while unboxing. Then we have some more information behind the box and the specification of this product, which says this is a Bluetooth enabled product. This has a silent operation and much more. So without wasting any more time here, we will just remove these seals here. So let me quickly first open up this box, and this box is of really good quality. Let me open up this box and you will get some warranty information card. Let me quickly just okay, so now first thing you get is a warranty card specifically for India, which says 1 year warranty. And when you first open up the box, you will get this mug. Let me quickly open it. Okay, and this is the mug. This is of really good quality, and you get some information about how to use this product. Charging point here for dock station, and you get a doser spoon here of two different sizes. This is also a good addition. And now let me quickly open up this box. So we have another little box here. You can see the main box is now empty, and let's unbox what we have here. And all other boxes are empty now, so let me keep them aside. And we have this box. Let me quickly open this thing up. So we have a power cord here, and I see a user manual too. Let me quickly get okay, so this is a user manual. You can read it if you want. And let me quickly open up this. Okay, we also have a docking station here. Let me quickly remove this from the box. Okay, so we have this empty box, which I'm going to keep it aside, and we have a docking station. Let me quickly remove it, and there we go. So here you can see a button which has a LED light, and this power cord, which is of a really good quality. So coming to the box content, you get these three main things. This is the mug, which I will remove first, and let's see what's inside the mug. You get a lock unlock indicator here if you're using for the first time. You get a cardboard here. Let me keep it aside. And the whisk here, you can see this is a magnetic whisk which can be removed and cleaned. Let me keep it inside, and nothing inside which can be accessible, so let me lock it again. So now it's the time to use this product. And use this product, you need to download an app called Nescafe E-Connected app to use this mug. So let me first keep this mug inside the docking station, and after you have kept it inside the docking station, it's time to open up the app. Okay, now I'm going to open this app, and you get to see these permission notifications which you need to provide them in order to use this smoothly. So now you need to create a Nestle account. So I'm going to quickly log in into my account. So once you have created an account, you will get an option to pair your e-device. So you need to continue the steps provided. So let me quickly turn the device on. First I need to turn on the Bluetooth. So after you turn on the device, you will get an option to select your device here on the screen. I need to first check the help section so that I can quickly, okay, so I've got the option of iMug Basic here. So I'm going to quickly pair this thing up. Okay, let me first read what am I getting this error. Okay, so I've completed all my formalities to connect on this device. I've renamed this device, and you have got this home screen where you can choose your drink here. You can also create your own drink here. You can see here's are the creations, pre-install creations, and here you can select the drink. And also you have two more options called firmware update and cleaning mode. When you go inside the cleaning mode, you need to clean this device up. So when you have just bought this device, you need to first clean this device. I've not yet kept water inside, so let me go quickly add some water. So I have completed the cleaning part, which I'll show after a moment. I'm a little bit excited to make my coffee. So I have kept all the ingredients required to make a cappuccino here. So let me quickly add 30 ml of water inside this product, which is required. So let me quickly add it inside the device. So I have almost added 30 ml of water. Now I'm going to add milk inside the mug here. I have milk here. So you need to have some 170 ml of milk. So I'm going to add it. You can also check the max mark here inside the product if you do not have idea of the quantity. So now I have completed adding the milk, and now I'm going to add coffee inside the mug. Okay, so now we have added all the ingredients in the mug. Now I'm going to take the cap and place it correctly here. So it's time now to prepare our coffee. So I'm going to place this mug over the docking station. So let me quickly add to our docking station. Perfect. Now I have my glass here and I'm going to make my coffee. You can also play game while brewing. So let me see how's the game. Let's start the preparation. I think the game is now starting. Okay, so I think the game is not available. It says this operation could not be performed. So I'm going to disable this game thing and now start my preparation again. Okay, so the preparation has started, and let me see how this coffee is. So our coffee is now ready. Let me quickly open up my phone and see what notification. Okay, so it says enjoy your coffee, the creation is ready. So let me quickly open up the mug here. Quickly do that. Okay, let me open up this cover, and here you go, we have our coffee ready. You can see the frost here. The coffee looks amazing. Let me try this coffee out by pouring it inside my mug. Okay, so we almost get 1 cup of coffee and it looks just amazing. Let me quickly try it. So the coffee was amazing. It was not too cold, not too hot, but it's now time to try out the cleaning mode after creating 1 cup of coffee. So I'm going to quickly try out using the app. First, let me fill some water. It says 150 ml of water, and now I'm going to place it inside the docking station. Now I'm going to first start up this Nestle app. Go to the profile option and click on okay. Now it is connected, and now click on cleaning mode, and let's start off the cleaning process. So the cleaning mode has now started. So now the process has completed. It almost took 1 minute, and now let me quickly open up this case, and now you can see the mug is now clean. I'll just show up how it looks. So you can see you need to just dry the product, and you have the whisk which is also cleaned, which is really good. Here you can see the mug is completely clean, which is a really good feature. I'll give thumbs up to Nestle for this. So this was all about this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel for more video like this. Meet you in the next episode. Goodbye, take care.